Okay, apparently this dropped literally like last night. This is more birds for some reason, so it's like the second part of it. Yeah, so I don't know where it's supposed to go from here, so let's find out.
She dances in this, she said.
Okay. This is where they left off. I like that color booties. Okay. She's in shambies. Uh-huh. No way. So silly. It's the yaoi first. No way she's gonna start. Wait. Ain't no way. If you can't read them, join them, Chad. Oh no. It's a dance off now. Oh my god. I don't know any of these. Wait, spit fast. Oh. Oh. Watch this. Oh. Oh. I don't know what I was expecting, but it wasn't that. Yeet. Thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed the content, please consider liking and subscribing. If you have any recommendations for future videos, please feel free to leave them in the comments below.